So today we are going to try some black sturgeon caviar and some salmon roe caviar. Now these are snacks that we absolutely enjoy on a regular basis with obviously some sushi, and this is a Whole Foods find. Yeah, so go guys, let's do black sturgeon first.
Okay. Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
And it tastes like a sandwich.
Tastes like a sandwich?
Yes. Yeah, and also when you smell it, kind of smells like, and they call soy sauce.
Okay.
So it tastes like soy sauce too.
Now for the salmon roe caviar.
The salmon ones are bigger and more salty.
Excuse me. So the black sturgeon caviar,
It's
lighter in taste. The eggs are smaller, obviously. The taste is lighter, but more intense. My favorite still is the salmon caviar. It is just absolute. It's like a little burst of seawater. It is so delicious and so good.
I like the black sturgeon better.
You do? Okay, that's one for caviar, salmon roe, and one for sturgeon. Donnie, you're the tiebreaker. What is it going to be?
Both.
Both? Well, I guess it's a tie, guys.